Greetings, pilgrims. It's Will from StormTheCastle.com, and you are watching the Sense of Wonder YouTube channel. I got a little bit of a different video for you today. I am a mead maker. I've been making mead for a very long time. If you don't know what that is, it's wine made from honey. It's a very old, very traditional thing to do. And I haven't made any mead in a very long time, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to make some mead. I bought a mead making kit, and I'll be using it to make myself a batch of mead. In this video, we're just going to do an unboxing. We're going to take a look at what's inside the mead making kit, and kind of just to show you that it is a very easy thing and beautiful thing to do. So let's launch into it. Unboxing a mead making kit. Okay, so before we look at, there's the mead making kit there, the box. I bought it on Amazon. I'll put a link. But before we do that, I wanted to show you my very first bottle of mead I made. It was a thing. 2007. There's a little bit of sediment in there, and that cork looks like it might be compromised. So I'm not sure this batch is any good anymore, but that's okay. I don't ever intend on drinking it. But 2007, so what's that make? 17, almost 18 years now. I love mead making. I've made hundreds of gallons, but here's the kit. We're going to open it up and take a look at what's inside. And the big thing about it is, you know, mead making is really a very simple process. And you can get started with just a gallon. Like traditionally, they used to make mead and wine in 5-gallon batches, which can get expensive, but you can make a nice little batch of mead, 1-gallon batch, which will give you 4 bottles of wine. There's the yeast. It's a Lalvin D47 that comes with it. And not to get technical, but Lalvin D47 is like the workhorse of yeasts. Very stable, very hardy. And there's an airlock, which forms an air barrier, so bacteria can't get in while your mead is fermenting. A funnel, a siphon cane. And you know, I have a lot of stuff on my website about mead making. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description of this video. It's the stormthecastle.com/mead/index.htm. But a gallon jug, and there we go, a stopper. And I'm going to struggle a little bit with this stopper. It's okay, but you want a nice, really nice fit. Because particularly in the first couple of days of mead making, you don't want any bacteria to get in there, and that's what the airlock is for. But here, I'll show you here. And what you do is you put water, or sometimes people put like vodka or something like that in there, but you put a little bit of water in the airlock. So what happens is, as the mead is fermenting, the gases can escape, but nothing can get in. It's kind of cool. It bubbles. Some sanitizer to clean everything up, make everything nice and clean. Whoops, that airlock fell. And a siphon hose. Some nutrient. I think that's a day 2 and a day 5 nutrients, which is interesting. It gives food to the yeast so it can grow very hardy. And that's it. And the little booklet. And that's it. Take a look. You know, mead making is fun. It's easy to do. Like I said, I got all kinds of tutorials on how to do it. But let's take a look at the little booklet. This shows you that how easy it is. You know, understanding. You can make about 4 bottles of wine with this 1-gallon jug. So I'll be excited. I'll be doing a video on how to do it. One last look at what comes with the kit, which is nice. You know, you can get a little kit which gives you almost everything you need. From here, you just need water and honey. Quite a bit of honey, though. Takes a lot. Thanks.